You can think of the Crestron touch panel as the gatekeeper of the system because it's the first thing you turn on when you come into the studio and the last thing you turn off when you leave. The studio computer stays on 24/7, but the Crestron controls access to the computer screens. Tap it once firmly to wake it. Tap power on to wake the computer screens and recording sign. The Crestron also lets you select the system's overall input, output, and volume. The input, or source, refers to the device you would like the computer to be paying attention to. Choose aux input if you're feeding audio through the birdhouse jack. If you want to play music from your mobile device, for instance, you'd plug it in here and choose aux input. For most cases, however, you'll be recording into a microphone, so you'll choose audio interface instead. This refers to the Apollo, which all the microphone ports feed through to get to the computer. The output, or destination, refers to the device you'd like the sound to come out. Choose headphones to hear out of headphones plugged into any of the ports on the red box. Monitor speakers are the large black speakers on either side of the computer screens. The term monitor is commonly used to mean computer screen. It's worth knowing, though, that when audio nerds say the word monitor, they'll be referring to the speakers, not the computer screen. Just a little FYI to prevent you some possible confusion in the future. This slider controls the volume at which you hear sound through the output device. The monitor knob on the Apollo should actually be turned all the way up, and guests should simply use the slider on the Crestron to control volume. Once you're finished recording, close down any programs, delete any user files, and push the power off button.